Hey there, Kevin from the awareness.website, and we have another week's video of Awareness Tai Chi and Continuing Classroom Classics. And this week is move 31 and 32, and that's turn and chop with fist, deflect parry punch, or step up deflect parry punch, and grasp bird's tail. So you've done these moves before, so we'll just kind of add in a little more detail and stuff, and throw them into the set here. So hang in there, and we'll be right back. So before we get started here, I have a confession to make. This week's video is pre-recorded as well because I wasn't sure if I was going to be back in time, and Tai Chi, as Shelley would say, my Tai Chi parties, party. I work hard too. So anyway, so if you sent comments and I'm not responding to them, that's the reason. So let's get on with the move here. Now, you'll notice that when you read the set sheet that this particular turn and chop with fist, the move 31 is chop with fist, step up, deflect, parry, punch, all together in one move. Whereas in previously, like for example, move 14 and 15, it's move 14 is chop with fist, move 15 is step up, deflect, parry, punch. So there's a little bit of a difference. In this particular case, they're combined. Have no idea why. Somebody thought it was a good idea, I guess, and it made for 108 moves, which is, you know, it's significant in Taoist philosophy and stuff. Points to the minor and major meridians in the body. So just keep it simple. It's the same move, the same sequence, just in the set sheet it's added, combined together. So no big deal. Okay, so we're going from turn and chop with fist, and like the last video we said, it always, chop with fist always follows turn and chop with fist. Or turn and white snake puts out tongue, which is later on in the set, but we'll get into that in another video. From the turn and chop with fist, the weight's in the front leg, so you're going to push from that leg, separate the hands, the right hand comes forward, the left hand comes back, very similar to grasp bird's tail. Relax into left leg, push up, and got your bouquet of flowers here. Pakwa step in front, fist, followed by the left hand, turn and relax into the front leg. The left heel lifts up. Come up and keep expressing. Relax back down, turn into the right leg, step, and deflect, parry, punch. Keep in mind, again, the equal and opposite expressions, so that you've got this feeling of having an elastic band between your hands. So you want to express and open up. So in turn and chop, there's that expression of separating and pushing out. And then again, the hands separate. So from that front leg pushing, hands separate, relax into left leg, so you can push up, Pakwa step, and chop. And then same thing here, this expression here. So the arms are always balanced, they're always light, and they're following the push from the legs, as we said before. They're expressing from that force that's coming through the legs. So you have to be very light and relaxed with the arms so they'll express. Okay, we'll turn this way and we'll do it from this direction. Turn and chop with fist. Push back. Pushing with the leg, relax into left leg. Come up, Pakwa step, chop, push. Continue the expression as you come up. Relax down, step, and push. So that expression you want to keep that going. So as you sit down here, the left arm is expressing out, but then you push into the leg and keep that expression. Don't lose it. A lot of times you come up and it's sort of, you want to keep that expression going as you come up. And then as you relax down, that expression is solid there, keeps you connected so you can step. And then come through with the punch. Okay, so straight on, watch the alignment of the move. So here, centered, heart thumb line, open up, heart thumb line, up with the bouquet, pakwa step, chop, heart thumb line. Keep the expression, turn into the right leg and step, heart thumb line. So you're always working on that center expression. Okay, one more time. And then we'll go into grass bird's tail. 1, 2, 3. Load the front leg so the front leg pushes, open, separate the hands, push into the leg, pakwa step and chop, and push. Keep the expression going as you come up. Relax, step through, and punch as you square forward with the toyu. Okay? So let's add in grass bird's tail. So getting into the grass bird's tail from the chop with fist punch is you want to, your weight's on this leg, so now you've got to pivot this leg out and turn the body. So this hand opens as you pivot. So turn, come up, and hold the ball. Okay? So don't just sort of pop and slap the arms together. Try and feel that connection with the leg pushing. So here, everything relaxes into the front leg and you express, and then it opens, and you come together at the top here, relax down and step, and then you're set up for the first part, the finger under the wrist part. So doing that transition is a little tricky for some people. If you don't allow the body to turn and open up that arm, you end up sort of falling because now the body's got nothing under it. So your weight relaxes into this leg and then pivot and open. So see, my whole body turns and then comes up. Relax and step. And then connect the arms in front and express out. Again, equal and opposite here. So just like in the chop with fist, except now this time, connect the arms and push. Separate, two-handed push. And that's grass bird's tail. Okay? So from the chop with fist, pivot, open up, hold the ball, relax and step, finger under the wrist, separate, load the left leg, push from the left leg, connect the arms, load the front leg so you can push into the front leg, dropping the elbows, push from the back leg, and the arms express out. So like a toyu, you're just simply transferring the weight back and forth. Okay? Chop with fist one more time. Relax down, step, express, pivot, open up, hold the ball, relax down, step, grass bird's tail. Push from the front leg, relax into the back, connect the hands, wrist push, Push from the front leg, drop the elbows, relax into the back leg, push from the back leg, and express out. Old hat, you've done this stuff a million times. It's getting pretty familiar by now. And that's one thing I tell people, is once you get past the first 17 moves, everything else is pretty much based on what you've learned in that. So it gets a lot easier. Okay, so let's do some follow through with chop with fist, step up, deflect, parry, punch, and grasp bird's tail. Hopefully we got enough room here in the studio to do this. So we'll take it from the turn and chop with fist. 1, 2, 3. Push from the leg, open up, relax down, up with the bouquet, pas qua step, chop, relax and express, keep the expression going as you come up, relax down and step, deflect, parry, punch, pivot the foot out, up and hold the ball, relax into left leg again and step, finger under the wrist, open up, sit down in the left leg, push from the left leg. Connect the arms and express. Push from the front leg, drop the elbows, turn to the left, load the leg, push from the left leg, and express to the front. A lot in that move. Okay, let's do that again. 2 more times. So from the turn and chop with fist, relax down, turning to the left as you relax, step out. 1, 2, 3. Push with the leg, open, relax down, push up with the bouquet, pas qua step, chop, express as you relax. Back heel comes up, push, keep the expression going, turn into the right leg, step, and punch. Pivot, turn the body, up and hold the ball, relax down, step, finger under the wrist for the first part of grasp bird's tail. And then you're just doing toyus, back and forth. Using the legs, keep the arms light and relaxed. Use the legs. 2-handed push. Okay, one more time. Turn and chop with fist. 1, 2, 3. Push from the leg, relax, bouquet, pas qua step, and chop with the fist. Keep the expression going. Keep the expression as you relax and step. Punch. Grasp bird's tail. Part 1. Toyu back. Part 2. Toyu back. Part 3. 2-handed push. All right. So practice lots. Work on those moves. Work on that sequence. And like us on Facebook. Check out the website. Subscribe to our channel. Send us your comments. Take care. And we'll see you again. Bye.